Hi, this is Steve Wiedemann. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about duplicate content, and not duplicate content where you've taken content from other people's websites or they've taken content from your website, but we're going to talk about duplicate content on your own website from pages that are very similar. So, and it happens. It's a normal thing. You might have a print view of your website where somebody goes to your website, they click a print button, and it creates a new URL, and that new URL also gets indexed by search engines. Or maybe it's a question mark equals comment or rating or review or anything where the same URL might produce the same amount of content. So there's a way to identify if there is a duplicate content problem on your website. The quick and easiest way is using a tool that I know of called SiteLiner, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. But really quickly, I wanted to remind anyone who's watching this that this plays into an actual Google update that happened in 2011, where Google basically penalized websites with a high degree of duplicate or poor quality content. Actually started as what they called the Farmer update, as I recall. But in looking at this, you can actually see that Google themselves, Matt Cutts, said, you know, it's not just about rewriting your content, but it's about having high quality content that adds additional value to the web. So in thinking about that, we want each page on our website to be as unique and as valuable to users as possible. Otherwise, Google may actually filter our search result out or not give us the ranking that we'd like to have. So what I like to do is I analyze a specific keyword-themed piece of content, right, and make sure that there's no problem with that content on other pages of my website. And to do that, again, going back to SiteLiner now. So I just grabbed a random plastic surgeon here in Los Angeles. This is Marina Plastic Surgery. And I threw them into SiteLiner. SiteLiner is a great tool that allows you to look at duplicate content and broken links and a bunch of other things. And so on this one, it's actually, I'm not signed in, but if I were, it would look at every page. On this one, we're going to navigate over to, after I ran this through, duplicate content over on the left. And then I'm going to sort by match percentage if it's not already sorted. So here I can see specific pages on my website. This one targeting face procedures, this one targeting body procedures. And what you can see is that 42% of this web page is duplicate. Let's go ahead and drill down a little bit here. So here's a page, and it's showing what's duplicate on this web page. Hopefully I can close this here. What's duplicate on this web page that it found on other pages of the website. So you can see that there's specific modules or sections of the site that's repeated over and over and over, such as the left navigation, or something perhaps in the sidebar of the website, or perhaps something that's in the footer of the website, repeated over and over and over on every page, making that page and other pages like it less and less unique. So the idea is for your actual keyword-themed page, whatever it happened to be as unique as possible. So you might want to, on product detail pages, for example, or a specific selling page, take out that left navigation, optimize that footer section, and make that page as unique as possible. And in this case, 42%, 40%, 39%, that's not bad at all. That's actually really good. I would say that's probably average or par across other websites. When it becomes a problem is when you start seeing 60s and 70s and worse in the 90s. You'll want to drill down and see what's so duplicate about this page than other pages on my website and make each page as individually unique as possible. And that is how I test for duplicate content within content on my own website using SiteLiner. This is Steve Wiedemann. If you have any questions, please throw them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video where we're going to talk about homepage linking. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.